So hey guys, this is Ishwar Sai Marti Prasad from Factside YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the most special video because today is Independence Day. So yeah guys, it is the 74th Independence Day of India and I would like to wish you very happy Independence Day. In this video we are going to discuss about 74 events that define India's journey from 1947 to 2020. In its 73 years of independence, India has several achievements to its credit. It has built a modern economy, which is the second fastest growing economy, remained a democracy, lifted millions out of poverty, has become a space and nuclear power, and developed a robust foreign policy. 73 years ago, on this day, India took baby steps to become one of the largest democracies in the world, overcoming a bunch of challenges to earn global recognition. India has come a long way since independence, leaving behind a string of landmarks that define its journey from agony of partition to a strong, powerful, and developing nation. In its 73 years of independence, India has several achievements to its credit. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the 74 developments in India since 1947 to 2020. Number 1. Partition 1947. In one of the most defining moments of the India's history, British India was divided into two countries, India and Pakistan, along sectarian lines. More than 2 lakh people were killed in ensuing riots and 14 million were displaced. Number 2. The First Kashmir War. It was fought between India and Pakistan over the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir from 1947 to 1948. It ended with the Maharaja Hari Singh signing an agreement of accession to India. Number 3. Right to vote. From the very first day after independence, India gave every adult the right to vote. In US, the right to vote for every individual was given about 150 years after their independence. Number 4. Railway network nationalization. Railway network was nationalized in 1951 and was initially divided into 3 zones. Indian Railways is now one of the world's largest railway networks, comprising 1,19,630 km of tracks and 7,216 stations. Number 5. First general elections. India took a democratic leap by conducting its first general elections in 1951, with Congress registering a thumping victory by winning 364 out of 489 seats. Jawaharlal Nehru became India's first Prime Minister. Number 6. First Asian Games. India hosted the first ever Asian Games in year 1951 in New Delhi. Number 7. Asia's first nuclear reactor. India designed and built Asia's first nuclear reactor, Apsara Nuclear Reactor, on August 4, 1956. Number 8. First movie nominated for the Oscars. Mother India, directed by the Mehboob Khan, was the first Indian movie to be nominated for the Best Foreign Language Film Oscar in 1958. Number 9. Green Revolution. The Green Revolution in India in 1960 saw an increase in food grain production with development of high-yielding varieties of wheat and pulses. Number 10. 1962 Sino-India War. The trigger of the war between India and China was a border issue, with Chinese side refusing to accept the McMahon Line and the line of actual control. The war was ended with China declaring a ceasefire in a month. We discussed about this in a very clear and a brief way in the series of India and its border issues. So if you want to watch that series, please click on the I button. You will get the whole playlist. Number 11. Bank nationalization. 14 banks were nationalized by Indian government on July 19, 1969. The second wave of the nationalization in banking came into effect on April 1980. Number 12. White Revolution. In 1970, India saw the White Revolution on the operation of flood, the world's biggest dairy development program, pioneered by the Virgis Kurian. It transformed India from a milk deficient nation into world's largest milk producer. Number 13. 1971 Liberation War of Bangladesh. East Pakistanis fought for independence from Pakistan and achieved it on March 26, 1971 under the leadership of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Number 14. Shimla Agreement. India and Pakistan signed the pact in 1972 to settle their differences by peacefully means through bilateral negotiations. Number 15. Chipko Movement. The Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India. It began in 1973 in rainy village of Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. Number 16. Pokhran 1. India conducted its first nuclear test codenamed Smiling Buddha in year 1974. With this, India broke into the list of 5 nuclear power nations. Number 17. 1974 JP Movement. It was a movement initiated by the students in Bihar against misrule and the corruption. It was led by the socialist Jay Prakash Narayan. Number 18. First Indian satellite was made. India designed first space satellite in 1975, named it after astronomer Aryabhatta. Number 19. Emergency. Due to prevailing internal tensions, then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared a state of emergency that lasted from 1975 to 1977. It resulted in the suspension of elections and curbing of civil liberties. Number 20. 1976 Mass Sterilization. The campaign was initiated by Sanjay Gandhi and saw about 6.2 million men sterilized in the year, with about 2,000 dead owing to botched up the surgeries. Number 21. Morarji Desai becomes the first non-Congress PM. The Janata Party, a group of parties opposed to the emergency, defeated the Congress in 1977 elections, and Morarji Desai became the first non-Congress PM of independent India. Number 22. Mandal Commission formed. The Mandal Commission was set up in 1979 under the BP Mandal to identify the socially and educationally backward classes of India. Number 23. India wins first Cricket World Cup. In 1983, India under Kapil Dev defeated West Indies by 43 runs to win its first Cricket World Cup. Number 24. India sends man into space in 1984. India sent its first astronaut Rakesh Sharma into space in 1984 in a joint mission with Soviet Union. Number 25. Operation Blue Star. It was the code name for military action to remove militant leader Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale and his followers from the Golden Temple complex in the Amritsar. Number 26. Anti-Sikh riots. The 1984 Anti-Sikh massacre was a series of attacks against the Sikhs after Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her Sikh bodyguards. Number 27. Bhopal gas leak tragedy. The Bhopal disaster was a gas leak incident on the night of December 3, 1984 at Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh that killed more than 3,000 people and left thousands with disabilities. Number 28. Shah Bano case 1985. The Supreme Court had upheld the right to alimony the case, but the Congress passed the Muslim Women Protection of Divorce Act 1986 overturning the SC verdict. Number 29. 1986 Bofors Scandal. The Bofors Scandal was a major corruption case involving the purchase of Howitzer guns between India and Sweden and is believed to be one of the reasons for the downfall of Rajiv Gandhi's government in 1989 elections. Number 30. India hosts the World Cup. In 1987, Cricket World Cup was held in India. The first such tournament to be held outside England, Australia lifted the trophy for the first time. Number 31. Bhagalpur riots of 1989. The Bhagalpur riots of 1989 were one of the most worst Hindu-Muslim violence in independent India at the time, and violent incident continued for 2 months, leaving 1,000 people dead and 50,000 people displaced. Number 32, 1990 Mandal agitation. The whole country was in grip of protests against giving the government jobs to certain castes of the basis of birth. Number 33, 1990 Kuwait airlift. The 1990 airlift of Indians from Kuwait was carried out from August 13, 1990 to October 20, 1990. After the invasion of Kuwait, Air India helped to evacuate nearly 1,75,000 people. Number 34, 1991 Globalization of economy. Indian economy opened the doors for free trade by the foreign investors. Number 35, Rajiv Gandhi assassinated. Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by the Liberation Tigers of Tamil while on a campaign trail at Sri Perumbudur on May 21, 1991. Number 36, Babri Masjid demolition. On December 6, 1992, the disputed Babri Masjid at Ayodhya was demolished by the Hindu nationalist groups, leading to riots across India. Over 2,000 people were killed in the riots. Number 37, 1992 security scam. The 1992 security scam is one of the biggest scams in the history of India stock market and was perpetrated by a stockbroker named Harshad Mehta. Number 38, Mumbai blast. The 1993 Bombay blast for a series of bombing coordinated by the gangster Dawood Ibrahim. It resulted in over 250 deaths. Number 39, first BJP government formed. In 1998, the BJP formed its first government under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but it lasted for only 1 year. Following fresh polls, BJP came back, becoming the first non-Congress government to do so. Number 40, Pokhran 2. India conducted a series of 5 nuclear bomb tests at Pokhran, Rajasthan in May 1998 under the code name Operation Shakti. It led to India becoming a full-fledged nuclear state. Number 41, Delhi-Lahore bus service. In inaugural run of February 19, 1999, the bus carried the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was to attend a summit in Lahore. Number 42, 1999 Kargil War. India launched Operation Vijay after Pakistani forces infiltrated inside the LOC. The war ended with India successfully recapturing the Tiger Hill. Number 43, IC-814 hijack. Indian Airlines IC-814 on its way back to Delhi from the Kathmandu on December 24, 1999 was taken over by 5 Pakistani hijackers with 180 passengers and crew on board. They were released in exchange of 3 terrorists held by the India. Number 44, Lahore Declaration. In a bid to quell the tensions, India and Pakistan signed the Lahore Declaration in February 1999 to avoid unauthorized operational use of nuclear weapons. Number 45, match fixing scandal. In 2000, South Africa's captain Hansie Cronje was in contact with the match fixing syndicates in India and had accepted the bribes, asking to the cricketers to deliberately underperform. The names of the Indian players like Mohammad Azharuddin and Ajay Jadeja were also cropped up. Number 46, new states were created. The new states of Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand were formed on 1st, 9th and 15th of November 2000 respectively. It changed the count of Indian states from 25 to 28. Number 47, Golden Quadrilateral Project. In 2001, the Vajpayee government launched the Golden Quadrilateral Project, the largest highway project in India connecting 4 major cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Number 48, 2002 Gujarat riots. The burning of a train in Godhra on February 27, 2002 triggered one of the worst communal riots in the history of India, leaving 1,044 dead, 223 missing and 2,500 injured. Number 49, Right to Information Act. The RTI Act was passed by the Parliament in 2005, throwing the government departments open to the scrutiny and helping the people to acquire any information they want from the government officials. Number 50, MGNREGA Act. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Development Act, which is largest work guarantee program in the world. It was enacted in 2005 with the primary objective of guaranteeing 100 days of wage employment per year to the rural households. Number 51, reopening of the Nathula Pass. The mountain pass in the Himalayas that connects the Sikkim and Tibet is one of the 3 open trading border posts between India and China. It was sealed by India after 1962 Sino-India War. The pass was reopened in 2006. Number 52, 2004 tsunami. A huge tsunami triggered by massive undersea earthquake in the Indian Ocean killed an estimatedly 10,000 people in the India, affecting the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman. Number 53. Chandrayaan 1. India successfully launched Chandrayaan in October 2008 to explore the moon. One of the greatest achievements of the Chandrayaan was the discovery of water molecules in the lunar soil. Number 54. First gold medal in the Olympics. Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal in 10-meter air rifle event at 2008 Olympics in the Beijing. He became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at Olympic Games. Number 55. 2008 Mumbai attacks. Pakistan-based terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba carried out a series of terrorist attacks in the Mumbai in November 2008, leaving 166 people dead. Number 56. Right to Education Act. Parliament passed the RTE bill in 2009, making education a fundamental right of every children and bridge the gap between the different classes of society. It requires all private schools to reserve 25% seats for the poor children. Number 57. First indigenous nuclear submarine launched. On July 26, 2009, India launched INS Arihant, the country's first indigenous nuclear submarine armed with ballistic missiles with range of 3,500 km. Number 58. Commonwealth Games in 2010. India hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Games in Delhi, but it made noise for the corruption cases that followed. For the first time in the history of games, India won over 100 medals and stood second after the Australia. Number 59. India wins second Cricket World Cup. On April 2, 2011, India lifted the Cricket World Cup for the second time under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni by defeating Sri Lanka in the final. Number 60. Lokpal agitation, spearheaded by the activist Anna Hazare, India Against Corruption movement that began in 2011 was a series of protests across the India for a Jan Lokpal bill to check graft in the politics. The bill was finally passed by the parliament in 2013. Number 61. National Food Security Act passed. The National Food Security Act 2013, also Right to Food Act, which aims to provide subsidies for the food grains to approximately two-thirds of India's 1.2 billion people, was signed into law on September 12, 2013. Number 62. Mars Orbiter Mission Mangalyaan. On November 5, 2013, Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) successfully launched Mars Orbiter mission to probe Mars. It is the first Asian nation to reach the Mars orbit and the first nation in the world to do so in the first attempt. Number 63. Polio eradication. In 2014, the World Health Organization certified the Southeast Asian region, which includes India, a polio-free region. Number 64. Telangana statehood. On June 2, 2014, Telangana was separated from the northwestern part of Andhra Pradesh as the newly formed 29th state with the Hyderabad as the permanent capital. Number 65. India launched own GPS system. India successfully launched Navik (NAVIC) navigation with Indian Constellation, an independent regional navigation satellite system on par with the US-based GPS. Number 66. Demonetization. In 2016, the government announced the demonetization of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 banknotes. Number 67. Goods and Service Tax (GST). GST is one of the indirect tax for the whole nation and became effective from July 1, 2017. It is the resultant tax after subsuming the major central and the state taxes. Number 68. SC strikes down triple talaq. The Supreme Court struck down the practice of instant triple talaq or talaq-e-biddat, in which Muslim men divorce their wife by uttering talaq 3 times in the quick succession. Number 69. SC decriminalizes homosexuality. The Supreme Court restored a landmark Delhi High Court judgment in 2018 that SC decriminalized the homosexuality. Number 70. Tejas get node clearance to be inducted in the IAF. In February 2019, India's first indigenously developed light combat aircraft Tejas received the final operational clearance for the induction into the IAF. Number 71. Mission Shakti. On March 27, 2019, India successfully conducted Mission Shakti, an anti-satellite missile test that could destroy satellites in the space through the missiles on the ground. Number 72. Chandrayaan 2. In India's quest to the land its first aircraft on the moon, Chandrayaan 2, riding the powerful GSLV Mark III rocket, was successfully launched at 2:43 p.m. on July 22nd from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at the Sriharikota. Number 73. Jammu and Kashmir bifurcation and the end of special status. On August 6, 2019, the Parliament passed a bill dividing the Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh, and also adopted a resolution scrapping special status of the state under Article 370. So guys, in this number of 74, we will include all the events in the 2020. So let's start. The government of India announced a total lockdown in the country on March 25th following a surge in the COVID-19 cases in the preceding weeks. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. It was also one of the factors behind the decision to impose countrywide lockdown. Another event in the 2020 is the arrival of first squadron of the Rafale aircraft from the France. And the another major event in the 2020 is on 5th August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed Bhumi Pujan and laid the foundation stone of the Rama temple at the Ayodhya. And there were also some disputes and clashes with the China, and also we have some border issues with the Nepal too, which are still ongoing.